Welcome back to Funda School Management System. So today I want to take you through the process of creating assessments and adding marks. So for you to create an assessment, before you add a mark, you have to start by creating an assessment. So you come here, you scroll down. Here we have this one which is assessments. So you can click assessments. So as a teacher, you can just come here. Maybe you've been giving tests for the whole week. Now want to create all the assessments and add marks. So you can come here and maybe my first assessment, it's for hardware. You can select the date. If it was given on the maybe 5th of January and the subject that's computer science, Form 1A, then the assessment type, maybe it was an in-class test. So here we have this one to select subtopics. This one is now linked to the schemes. I'm going to take you through the process of scheming. So hardware, maybe it was on input and output devices. Input and output devices. Now you have to define the paper name. Maybe that's P1. Maybe it was out of 20 and the weight is 100%. It's only one paper. Then I can say this add. Then I can say submit. So I have created my first assessment. Let me create another assessment. Maybe this is that's a fortnight test. Maybe that's our first fortnight. Then I can also select the date. Maybe it was written on the 9th. Then I can select the subject, which is computer science. Maybe this is for computer science 1A. Computer science, that is 1A. Then assessment type, maybe it's a fortnight test, and I need to select the exam, which is this one. Then maybe I gave them two papers, P1, which is out of 20, with a weight of 50%, and maybe I have P2, which was out of 30, maybe with a weight of 50% again. So you have to define your papers and their corresponding weights until the weights are equal to 100. So I have created my assessments. So this one is refusing to create an assessment because I have already created an assessment for this class. So I cannot create you cannot create two fortnight tests for the same fortnight for fortnight 1 of 2026. We can't do that. So maybe let us change it to an exercise. It's an exercise. Maybe it was on this topic, that is data transmission. So I have successfully created my assessments. Now I want to add the marks. So I can come here, then I can go to marks. Let us select our computer science. That is computer science, Form 1A. Then the assessments. This is the first assessment. Then now I can now put my marks. Maybe this student got a 12. This one got on this one a 23, 15, then 15. You don't need to save. The system will automatically save. As you enter the marks, the system will automatically save and calculate the grades and automatically add the comments. I'm going to show you how you add your comments. So you continue to enter the marks. As you continue to enter the marks, the grades that are being automatically calculated by the system. As you can see here, it's calculating. So maybe we have also another feature to correct grammar. Excellent performance. Ye well did. Good, keep up it. So this is broken English. I want to correct this, so I can just click correct grammar. I want you to see the statement. excellent performance, you did well, keep it up. So you can see this is a well corrected statement. It makes sense, right? So that's how we can add the marks for our students. Maybe you want to add mark for a specific student. Maybe the student is called England. Let me search for the student England. As you can see, I have multiple England Kavurus here. So maybe I have a 12, and this one maybe is a 21. Maybe this one got a 17, and here maybe a 21. So as you can see, the grades that are being automatically calculated here. So that's how we can enter the marks. So if you want to download, you can just come and say here, then you can click download what? Download marks. If you want to sort by marks, you can just come and say sort by marks, and the marks, they can be sorted according to what you want. So that's how we can sort the marks. Remember, I've shown you that there's this one, the auto commenting. I want to show you as a teacher, how can you do auto commenting? You come back to assessments. That's where you can add your comments. Here we have this option. This one is stated comment. Here I have already added my comments. So if you want to add your new comment, maybe say well done, keep it up. So maybe that's our new comment. You need to select the subject. If it is applying to computer science, you can say computer science. If it is applying to multiple classes, you can select the classes. But if it is for one class, you can select that. Then you need to select to say this comment can apply to all students with grade what? Grade 8. So as you can see, it has been added on our list of what? Of the grades. So if you want to delete, you can delete a comment at any time. For example, maybe I want to delete this one, I can delete the comment. So that's how we can add comments which can be then automatically picked by the system. So that's how we can create assessments and add marks to the students. Adding marks is just as easy, more than even easy than adding on the manual books, because here you have the capacity to search for a student and you can enter marks. Even if you want to enter marks for multiple exercises or multiple assessments, you can do that. Maybe let me just show you so that you can see it's possible. Maybe computer science form 1A, right? Then maybe I want to add for multiple even with this one. So as you can see, now you can add marks for different assessments at the same time. Once you can have a book for one student, you can enter the marks throughout. So that's how we can make use of Funda to automatically add the marks, and the grades will be automatically calculated, and you have the analysis at any time. Thank you for watching this video. Please, let's make use of Funda. Funda can make your work and your life easy as a teacher.